Ese es Che Guevara. Fue un héroe antes de la guerra civil. Ayudó a la gente en pobreza y fue un doctor ayudando a niños con enfermedades y personas heridas.
We have found through using our makerspaces across a few different campuses that students with language needs in English or Spanish have really done well because the making and the doing really transcends language.
We try to speak Spanish because we're not taught in Spanish a lot in school, so that's why we've been trying to speak Spanish to all of the kids over here.
Dos lenguajes es mucho mejor que uno, porque en mi casa nomás hablamos español, no inglés.
Before you peel it, let's cut away so that you can save this scrap for something else.
So this gives our kids another opportunity to catch up and to get the same experiences as other kids throughout the district as far as getting those 21st century skills, being college and career ready.
Primero, mi mamá me inspira mucho. Ella es una mamá sola y mi papá la dejó y tiene 4 hijos. Y ella me inspira mucho porque ella quiere que yo haga lo que ella no pudo hacer cuando era niña. Y ella quiere que yo salga adelante y vaya a la universidad.
So we would love to continue to expand this because these are the students that need that additional time in an environment where they can be really engaged.
Hello, hola Mr. Fuller. De parte de nuestro campamento de verano del MakerSpace, le queremos presentar el dicho de Dolores Huerta.